Hello everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. In this video I'll try my best to help you fix Modern Warfare 2 connection issues. So let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that you have to do is very simple, is just to look if you're having or if you have any problem with your internet connection. So check your internet, or just better even if you just change your from Wi-Fi to cable connection. So try this helped me, so that's why I'm encouraging you, and that's why this method is #1 in the list. So now let's jump to the next method. So first thing that you have to do is to press on your keyboard Windows logo key plus S, and here write CMD, run as administrator, yes, and here please here you have to type IP config /flush DNS, please enter. And now let me show you the next method, and this one is very important. So here in the search bar, please type allow and app through Windows Firewall, and please enter. And here it's very important for a very good connection. Please go to Call of Duty and check both of these, private and public. If you don't see Call of Duty here, please click on change settings and then go to allow another app, and here click on browse, and here in browse please go to the Call of Duty folder location and select code, open and add. I already have it in the list of exception and add, and that's what you have to do. And if you can't you don't know where Call of Duty is located, very simple, go to Steam, Steam library, properties, local files, browse, and here double click, and we have to copy this location. This is where the game is located, and here go to allow another app, browse and backspace and paste. So then here click on this arrow, and now we found the location of the game. So that's another way. So doesn't take that much, it's just copy and paste instead of just looking where the game is located. Now please follow along with me. I'll show you a different way to fix this problem. Here press Windows logo key plus S, and here please type network connections and enter. And now please look for your internet connection and then right click and select properties, and once you've done that, here you'll see different connections uses the following items, and here these items, please look for Internet Protocol version 4, select, then please select properties, excuse me, and here please select use the following DNS server addresses, and here in preferred DNS server please type 8888, alternate DNS server 8844, okay, close. And now here in the search bar please write network reset, and here please reset. This will give a refresh to your connections so we can prevent the internet connection from having any issues. So also go back to the Steam, and here go to properties, and also please disable this Steam overlay while in game. It's just not what you really want. can really interfere with the game performance and also connection. At least for me, and I've also heard others are having problems when this settings is enabled. Also, please here type this. This will help you as well with performance and also with the connection. So please type this there, and also in the search bar also please type, if you're using if you're having or you have Windows 10 background apps, please write that, and here please turn off this background apps. This will increase your connection, because you can have a lot of apps and really take a lot of data from your connection, and then you're gonna have a hard time playing the game because there's some apps in the background. This fixed some of the problems in other games I was playing, and that's why I'm suggesting you. This is more of a tip than a method, because I'm not really sure if this can fix your problem, but can help. So guys, let me know in the comment section if this video helped you out. If it didn't, please let me know, and I'll look for other ways to fix this problem. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care, guys.